Hello, we're back with story time with lollipops today. We're going to read a lovely book about Spot, and this book is called Spot Bakes a Cake. Yummy! The book is written by Eric Hill and it's published by Puffin Books. Alright, so we've got Spot here and we are going to learn how to bake a cake. Cool. Let's begin. Alright, so here's Spot, and here's his mommy, his mom, and they're looking at the calendar. Wow, they can see that today is Daddy's birthday. Yeah, it's Daddy's birthday. This is so exciting. So, Mom says, let's bake a cake for Dad. And Spot is very excited. He says, yay, let's bake a cake. So, first things first, we have to go shopping. Mom has her list and she's writing it down. And Spot climbs up and looks in the cupboard. He opens up the cupboard. Oh, and who's inside the cupboard? A mouse, yes, a mouse. And the mouse says, I need some cheese, please. Some cheese. Very good. So, off they go. They are shopping, yeah. And Mom has got her trolley. And look, Spot has got a little trolley, a small trolley. Mum says, can you find me some chocolate? Spot, some chocolate? Look here, what is this? This is chocolate. Oh, wow. Spot has got lots and lots of chocolate. Look how much chocolate Spot has. Spot says Dad loves chocolate cake. So he's carrying all his chocolate and he puts it in the basket. Wow, that's a lot of chocolate. Now, Mum says, now we can make the cake. She puts on her apron, yeah, and she ties it on. And there's Spot. Spot says, we've already started. We've already begun. And the little mouse is helping, yeah. What are they doing? They are breaking the eggs. Yeah, they are breaking the eggs. And they are putting the eggs inside the bowl. Okay, very good. Okay, so now Spot says we're going to add the chocolate. Yeah? Look how much chocolate. There's so much chocolate. Mom says, Spot, that's enough. No more. Oh, and look at Spot and his friend the mouse. They are stirring the pot. Yeah? Stirring the pot. Very good. They're stirring in all the chocolate. Yummy. All right. Now, Mum says, good. The cake is inside the oven. Yeah, the cake is inside the oven. Now, we need to clean. Yeah? We need to clean up. All right, so Mum has got a sponge and she's wiping down the table. And Spot has got the spoon and he's licking it and he says, I am helping because he's cleaning the spoon. Looks like the cake might be ready. It looks like the cake is ready. Should we look look inside the oven? Yeah? You want to open the oven? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Look at that. The cake is ready. It has grown and grown and grown. Very good. So Mum takes the cake out of the oven and it's time to decorate the cake. Yeah, to put all the nice things. So Spot has a book. He's reading how to decorate the cake. And there are some sweets and there's some pink icing. Yeah. Oh wow, look what he's doing. He's got lots and lots of icing and sweets. He's putting lots on. And Mum says, that's enough, Spot. That's enough. And Spot is adding more and more icing. He's got green icing, pink icing, and lots of little sweets. Oh, yummy. This looks like a good cake. All right. Now Spot is writing a card. He's writing a card to say, Happy birthday, Dad. Happy birthday. Look, he's got a green crayon and he's writing happy birthday. He's so excited for Dad to come home. Look what Mum is doing. Yeah? She's putting the candles on the cake. Yeah, she's got the candles on the cake. This will be a good surprise for Dad. Hey, look! Daddy comes home and Spot and Mum say, Happy birthday! Happy birthday! They've got presents and balloons, yeah? Red and yellow, green and blue. Super! And let's see what Spot has got. Wow! Spot has got the beautiful birthday cake. It's so big! Oh, and Daddy's very happy and Mummy's very happy. What a lovely surprise. Oh, look at that. And Dad and Mum, Dad is eating his cake. Yum, yum, yum. It's very good. He says, Spot, did you bake the cake? And Spot says, well, Mum helped a little. Very good. Happy birthday to Spot's dad. Bye-bye. So that's the end of our book about Spot learning to bake a cake. I hope that you have lots of fun baking cakes now too. Goodbye.